I came to site to see what is going on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project. So this update is actually on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road update. From what I am seeing here, I will give you the full update. Kindly stay to the end of this video. With what I'm seeing on site, work is still going on. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road is still going on. And the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project is a significant infrastructure initiative that is aimed to enhance transportation system along the southern coastal line, which is running from Lagos through the 8 states up to Cross River State. This project involves a modern expansion, and the road is approximately to be about 700 kilometers, which is connecting Lagos to Calabar while linking major urban city and the industrial hub and seaports and the southern coastal road. This road will start from Lagos then to the Lekki Deep Sea Port Axis. It will run to Ogun State, Ondo State, Delta State, Bayelsa State, River State, Akwa Ibom State, and it will end in Cross River State. I know from my previous video you will know that by the time I announced that 1.06 trillion has been paid for the first phase, which will cover about 47.47 kilometer dual carriageway, that is up to 5 lanes on each side, and there will be a tray in between. This is a very major project that will change the environment, and it will increase the business atmosphere along this axis, and that tells you that it's a strategic investment, and if you can see it, you can tap into it. This project, as you know, will stimulate economic growth, it will facilitate trade, it will enhance regional integration by improving connectivity and reducing travel time between key economic zones. This Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project holds the potentials of unlocking hidden productivities and also along this coastal region, and also even the interland region also. This Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road has far-reaching economic benefits, which also include the creation of employment opportunity, the promotion of tourism, the enhancement of accessibility to essential services for the community along this route. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project holds the potential of unlocking hidden productivity for the country coastal region and also the interland, improve transportation infrastructure, reduce travel time, lower transportation costs, and enhance the market access for businesses of all sizes. This in turn will spur investment and also stimulate trade and also catalyze the economic growth. And that is not all. By integrating more remote community into this national and regional supply chain, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road will bridge the rural-urban divide and also foster the inclusive of development and reduce income disparity. This is what you will enjoy if you decide to own a property along this Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, and you have property along this axis that will turn you to a billionaire if you buy and keep for a couple of years within the period that this road will be completed. Number one I want to make reference to is Amen Estate Phase 2. The last video you saw, we make reference to Amen Estate Phase 2. People are living there already. And also, we just launched the hospital inside Amen Estate Phase 2. And Amen Estate Phase 2 is just around the coastal road. This is an opportunity. I want you to watch this video as I tell you more about the Amen Estate Phase 2.
If you ever wondered whether you should actually invest in Amen Estate Phase 2, now it is time to stop wondering and start investing. I am right there at the official launching and grand opening of front line of which the very first hospital in Amen Estate Phase 2. Stay right here as I take you through the whole event. My name is Kim from LAGOS-CALABAR. We help Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to invest right here in Lagos stress-free.
As you can see, today is the official launching of this hospital right here in Amen Estate Phase 2. And if you have been on the fence, I can tell you that you are about to miss out, because Amen Estate Phase 2 is just coming out with new innovation, so many developments, ups and downs. For instance, the last video you uploaded about Amen Estate was about the road update. Most of the roads have been tarred now. So for those of you who have been saying that the road is not tarred, now the road has been tarred. And also, that is not all. Today we are right here to talk about the hospital. Now, wow, you need to invest in Amen Estate Phase 2. If you are looking at owning a land here for residential purpose, there is land. Contact the number, let's make that happen for you. If you are looking at owning a commercial plot, for instance, this particular hospital is built on a commercial plot. If you are looking at owning a commercial plot, it's still available. The price is on the screen. And also, we have other type of houses in Amen Estate Phase 2. My name is Dennis Easton from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria, and other parts of the country. This is an opportunity that you should not miss for anything. I want you to enjoy this video and call us. Let's make this happen for you. Check out the prices of houses we have in Amen Estate Phase 2. Look around, you will see this particular land is still available, and it is first finger will get this land, and it's currently going at a giveaway price of 35 million naira. But there is a terms and condition attached to this you need to be aware of. The terms and condition is, if you are willing and ready to get this land for sale in Amen Estate Phase 2, you need to be ready to build within a space of 3 months maximum. That's it. That's the cash. That's the cash. So with 35 million now, you can get this land that have a CO for the title. It is a ready to build. People are building around already. So if you are looking at owning a plot right here in Amen Estate Phase 2, then take advantage of this land for sale in Amen Estate Phase 2. We only have one plot available in this location, which is 600 square meter. We have commercial lands available for $60,000. Then in the apartment, we have basically 3 types of apartments in Amen Estate Phase 2. We have the 2-bed luxury apartment, which is 65K, that is $65,000. We have a 3-bed luxury apartment, which is $70K, that is $70,000. We also have a 3-bed exclusive apartment, which is going for $98,000. In Amen Estate Phase 2, we also have 3-bed terrace. We have 2 types of terrace. We have the terrace that is mid, which is at the middle. We also have terrace that is also at the end. So we have 2 types of terraces. We have the 3-bed mid terrace, which is going for $112,000. Then we have the 3-bed end terrace, which is going for $116,000. That's $116,000. Also, we have different type of duplexes in Amen Estate Phase 2. We have the 2-bed duplex, which is going for $120,000. We have the 3-bed semi-detached duplex, which is going for $135,000. Then we have the 3-bed fully detached duplex, which is going for $145,000. We have the 4-bedroom detached duplex, which is going for $160,000. We have the 4-bed duplex, but it's a villa. We call it villa, another design, which is going for $190,000. Then we have a 4-bedroom that have a penthouse. That one is going for $190,000. Then we have the 5-bedroom villa that is going for $240,000. Then lastly, we have another type of 5-bedroom duplex that have an eclectic staircase, which is also going for $240,000. All of these houses I mentioned have payment plan up to 12 solid months. So you can do outright, which is within 3 months, you can do 6 months, or you can do 12 months.
This is an update on Eminent Phase 2 that you should take action now, because just as you know, we have limited plot of commercial plots available in Amen Estate Phase 2, and you can do so many type of things on this land. Beside the hospital, we also have the supermarket that has been launched. Now today we are launching the hospital. Give us a call, let's make this happen for you.
Apart from the Amen Estate Phase 2, we also have the Amen Estate Phase 3, which is along the Lekki-Epe Expressway. I want you to watch this video about the Amen Estate Phase 3.
This is an update video on Amen Estate Phase 3. I want to take it aside and show you the current updates. Some people think that Amen Estate Phase 3, we have actually abandoned project. To bust your bubble, you'll be amazed when I show you the updates in Amen Estate Phase 3. Let's do this together. Kindly stay to the end of this video as we take the tour around Amen Estate Phase 3. You know, some time ago we announced that we will be building in Amen Estate Phase 3. And now that idea, that dream is coming to reality. Look at the houses we have in Amen Estate Phase 3. Although currently, these bungalows are all sold out. There is no bungalow, there is no extra bungalow available now. So I want you to just look at the current development that is going on in this estate, Amen Estate Phase 3. All these bungalows you are seeing is currently owned by our clients, and we are currently building all these bungalows. So if you didn't know that we are building, now you can see with your eyes. You know, one thing that is certain about Amen Estate brand is we keep to our promise, and we always deliver on point. We started selling land. From land, we chip in this bungalow and now see what is going on currently. Apart from the fact that other clients are building their houses, their duplexes, the company, we launched the bungalow, and when we launched it, before a new happened, it was highly demanded and we couldn't withstand the demand, so we closed the sale. And now the sale is closed. Apart from this, also we also have something new coming out, but I will not let the cat off the bag, but I will let you know very, very soon. Something new is coming out in Amen Estate brand as a whole, but I'm just hinting you, but be ready. I will give you updates immediately the news is out. But let's come back to Amen Estate Phase 3. If you miss out in getting a bungalow in this particular Amen Estate Phase 3, And you also miss out in getting the 300 square meter in this MNSA phase 3 because these two items I just mentioned, they are sold out. We don't have bungalows available for sale again in MNSA phase 3. Likewise, we don't have 300 square meters available in MNSA phase 3. But you still have the opportunity to own a 500 square meter. And how much is 500 square meter going for in MNSA phase 3? You can get a 500 square meter for 33 million naira currently. And with an initial deposit of 6 million naira, you are good to go. This particular prime estate, Amen Estate Phase 3, is located facing the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. It is adjacent the Lekki International Airport. One of the reasons why you should own multiple plots in this Amen Estate Phase 3 is the prime location. Is it actually in the heart of Ibeju-Lekki, where major landmark and essential amenities will be at your beck and call. Another good thing about this particular estate, Amen Estate Phase 3, why you should own multiple plots here, is the flexible plot size available. 500 square meter is what you have currently, and it's all inclusive, which means that you are not paying any money at all. We mainly you pay your 33 million complete, and with 6 million initial deposit, you can spread your payment either within 30 days or within 6 months or within 12 months. We have flexible payment plan available. And the third reason why I believe you should own multiple plots in Amen Estate Phase 3 right here in Ibeju-Lekki is the solid title. You can be rest assured that your investment is secure because you will have your certificate of occupancy. This is a legal title. I'm actually coming up with a course on due diligence, and I talk more on certificate of occupancy, why you need to buy a land that have certificate of occupancy. Just make sure that you come to my channel always. You will see that course when I release it. Is on due diligence. And this particular estate, Amen Estate Phase 3, right here in Ibeju-Lekki, is a good one with good title, certificate of occupancy. Another reason why you need to own multiple plots in Amen Estate Phase 3 is the lifestyle, the comfort, the things you will enjoy, the top-notch infrastructure you will enjoy in Amen Estate Phase 3. Then another reason why you need to own multiple plots in Amen Estate Phase 3 is the future prospects. These oases will have great things that you will benefit. The external amenities, for instance, in this same houses, we have the airport coming to these houses. We're going to have the railway coming to these houses. We're going to have the Calabar Lagos Coastal Road is around these houses. There's a road already, the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway, and there are other roads coming along these houses. This is an opportunity. The future in these houses is prime, and you should not miss it for anything. Another reason why this land for sale in Amen Estate Phase 3 is very important, and for you to buy and build, is this particular estate. You can actually build your dream home because of the internal amenities and also the external amenities which you enjoy. From the luxury bungalows we are building to the modern duplex that we will do later, another people are doing, to the semi-detached duplex, you will not see a face me I face you in this estate. The last reason which I believe you need to join and own multiple plots in this estate is you are joining a thriving community. Nothing is as sweet as you being with like-minded individuals who appreciate quality, who appreciate comfort, and also those who appreciate brighter future. And if you want to be among these young vibrant youths, young vibrant professionals who like good life, then you need to join this community, this thriving community, by owning multiple plots in Amen Estate Phase 3. This is an opportunity that you will not want to miss for anything.
Apart from the Amen Estate Phase 3, we also have the TAWA Garden Phase 2. I want you to watch this video to see how you can take advantage of this TAWA Garden Phase 2.
If you check my previous video, we announced that the price of the TAWA Garden Phase 2 will increase. But after one or two consultations, and from you who have been watching my video, some of you said that we should talk to the management so that the price will not be increased because they have interest in it. So we are able to discuss with the management, and the price increase has been suspended. Wow, this is a good one, a good information. That is why I'm bringing this information to you now. This TAWA garden phase 2, you can actually get a 300 square meter for 18 million now, a 500 square meter for 29 million now, a 600 square meter for 36 million now, and a 1000 square meter commercial plot for 70 million now. And also, the good news is this: with an initial deposit of 3 million naira, you are good to go. And the sweet part, which I love so much, is this land is government allocation. It was gotten from the government, so you don't have any challenge at all when it comes to you taking possession of your land. And another sweet part about this TAWA garden phase 2 is instant allocation, which means that immediately you finish paying, you get your allocation immediately. This particular estate, the TAWA garden phase 2, is facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Another good part also which you should take advantage of is this particular estate is beside Macarius Luxury Estate phase 2, which, and you know how Macarius Estate phase 1 is now, this phase 2 will be a bomb, and you having a property beside a premium estate. This TAWA garden phase 2 is a premium estate, but you having a land beside another premium estate, you will know that your investment is sure banger. I would strongly recommend that you just call the number on the screen. Let's make this happen for you.
With what you've seen so far, I just decided to list these 3 estates for you to see the potential that this estate have. You need to own property along the coastal road. This Lagos-Calabar coastal road is a major landmark you should not miss for anything. Give us a call. Let's help you to get any of these estates. My name is Dennis Sisson from landproperty.ng. Kindly like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for now.